Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Airbnb review in Budapest, Hungary. Okay, let's check it out. So I had got this place because I was maybe gonna have 5 guests. So this is the kitchen. Got a lovely washer and dryer room right here. And there's a nice shoe spot, slippers, umbrella if you happen to need it. All the kitchen stuff. Ooh, those are fancy. Ooh, I like how these open. The other appliances, coffee maker, stocked with some sugar cubes and things, fridge, freezer. And if we go this way, we have a nice full-length mirror. And in here, we have a bathroom, just a toilet, and here we have the full bathroom. We have the tub and shower, toilet, dual sinks. It's very nice. And then we go into the big living room. Look at this, so much space. Got a nice dining table, really big living room, big windows, nice TV, lovely chandelier, nice couch space. And if we go over here, we have a bed. If you wanted to turn this into a twin, you could. Okay, turn on this little light here. Cute bed space, closet space, blankets, pillows, closets. Got a lovely desk area here. And then if we follow up the stairs, it leads us to another bed. Nice bed space. I think this is maybe a full. So you got a bed up here, potentially 2 beds down there. Okay, and then we'll go to the other side. And the other side is the same. Got a nice bed here, which you could turn into 2 if you'd like. Ooh, so I'm turning on these lights. I'll turn on the other little light. Cute. More closet space. And this room also has a desk. Very nice. And if we go upstairs here, we have another full bed, all made up. So I was gonna have 5 guests, but then it just turned into 2 guests. So we have this entire place to ourselves for the weekend in Budapest. And we're excited, we're very excited. They also have some more information of stuff around the city. Got a city map. This is about the hop on, hop off bus. Some other things going on. I think for this weekend, I'm gonna try and do a ruin bars pub crawl tour. One reason I'm in town is to see San Holo. San Holo is performing tomorrow night, and the tickets were like $15. I needed to come to Budapest to support. And Saturday, we got tickets to go to a thermal bath party, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. I have not done a thermal bath before. I've not done a thermal bath party before, so I'm really excited for this Sparty. There's so many cute details around this place. On the table, they have these candies for us. I really like this artwork. I wonder what kind of soup that could be. Even this area is cute. This chair, this fancy chair, and this blankets. If you needed some blankets for the fancy chair. And they have a fancy rug under the fancy chair. And I don't know what material this is, but it's nice. And these other cute decorations. I like this hand. It's a cool spiral. And this is the street view. We walked from the center area, and we just followed all along the Danube River, and from the center here, walking, it was about 30 minutes, and if you wanted to take the tram, metro, I believe it was maybe a 10-15 minute ride. So it's close to everything, near to everything, good location. That's the tour. Welcome to the Airbnb crib for this weekend. Peace, love, good vibes. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Toodles.